In today's video, let me show you how to fix Facebook notifications not working. If you are not getting any notifications of your Facebook, in this video let me show you a couple of things that you can try out in order to fix this issue. If this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into the video. Now the first thing that you can try out is check the notifications are on or not on your phone first of all. So open up the settings of your phone, search for the notification setting, tap on app notifications and search for Facebook. Tap open this and make sure that the show notifications is on. Along with that, you can also toggle on some of the other settings or these notifications. Underneath your account, you can see an option called your account. Make sure that all of these are toggled on. You can try switching them on and off. And there are a lot of notifications that you can manage for Facebook. You can take a look at all of these and find the exact notification that you are not receiving. Now, even if you toggle this option on and you're still not getting notifications from Facebook, that may be because your phone is having a glitch. So in order to fix out glitches, you can just uninstall Facebook first of all. So uninstall the app of Facebook, and once it has been uninstalled, again re-download and log into your account. This is a great way of clearing out glitches which may be the cause of you not receiving notifications. So once you do these couple of steps, you will start to receive Facebook notifications again. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos that we post.